Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday. It's so good to see you guys. Our word of the week is little. Our book has the word little in it. Good job, little blue trucks, springtime. All right, let's go see if we can type that in our device. Little, good. Blue, good. Truck, awesome, friends. All right, let's read our book and let's see if we can find some little animals. Little blue truck is on the road, taking a drive with a good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Maybe they'll find some friends. Yoo-hoo sheep, beep beep, what's new? What does the sheep have? Let's see. A little white lamb and a twin lamb too. Look, little. The sheep has a little lamb. Awesome. Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo, duck and ducklings 9. Let's see if we can count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 ducklings. Good job. Yoo-hoo goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo cow munching corn. Yoo-hoo little calf just born. Little cow. It's called a calf. Can you touch the little cow? Good job. Mama Pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo piglets, 1 to 10. Let's see if we can count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good counting. And Mama Pig has little piglets. Good job. Ears and clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo, bunny. Look, bunny sister, bunny brother. Add another. There's so many little bunnies. Yay. What's that nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap. Anyone home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Who's inside that egg? That's right, it's crickety crack, everybody shout, yoo-hoo chick, come on out. It's a little chick. Aw, hi chick. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by, birds that sing, frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. Bye, blue truck. The end. Good job, friends. So we saw a lot of animals in our book, and we saw big animals and we saw little animals like our story told us. We saw a lot of different animals. We saw a mama sheep and her little lamb. We saw a mama pig and her little piglets. And we also, another animal we saw was a mama cow and her little calf, her little cow. All right, let's go over to our device and see if we can find those words on our device. Are you guys ready? All right. Okay, let's clear it out. Here we go. Let's first find little sheep, little sheep. Good job. Let's touch little sheep. Let's see if it's here. There it is, sheep. Good job. Let's do the next one. Little pig. Little pig. Yay. And little cow. Little cow. Good job. But I saw something special in our device. Let's go look. In here, I saw baby animals. It has the names that we saw in there. We saw the words piglet for baby pig. We also saw the words calf for a baby cow. What else did we see? We saw chick. Remember the chick came out of the egg? And let's pick one more. What did you guys see? Oh, those are all good ones. I'm going to pick duckling. I loved counting the ducklings in the lake. That was awesome. Maybe it was a pond. Good job, friends. That was such a good book. I loved reading about Little Blue Truck Springtime with you guys today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.